trying to, it's just like a defensive ground. We're setting up on their territories and we're fighting them. We lost 2 battles because we don't have that many people. They jumped us into public. But we're trying to keep that up with getting some alliances. We're not trying to break any alliances, we're just trying to get stronger.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he's kind of a traitor to everyone he gets in contact with. He was a traitor to RSS, he made us shoot RSS. And UFG, well, he made us go on a ceasefire, then make us go on a ceasefire and start shooting them. And that's pretty much all I have to say.
No, like, were you going after them? Like, you going after them? You plan on going after them?
We're planning on going after them. Maybe trying to take over TCV, making it a better clan, making it a Red Dead friendly clan, set of enemies to everyone on it.
Right.
Yeah. If you want to, you can support that movement. I don't know how you would feel. We're just trying to get some allies and take arms against them. Their leader wasn't past UFG. He is a mean person. And I didn't know that until I actually was near him for a while. He started showing me maybe side.
I'm thinking like maybe we could become allies or something.
Yeah. Alright. That sounds perfectly good to me.
Hey sis, I think really that's all we have for you right now. Have fun, and I will talk to you later.